you should be able to locate your Adobe Premiere Pro program in your Start files. We are using Adobe Premiere Pro. Notice that I have both of them here. Premiere is one of the programs that if you have multiple versions of it, your files won't open in both. So we want to make sure that we are in the most current one, which was Premiere Pro 2020. So in order to get rid of the previous one, if you'll go to the Adobe Creative Cloud, and you'll see that I have two here. Whatever the higher number is, that's the one we're keeping. So I'm going to go to this other one and choose Uninstall. I'm going to go ahead and keep the preferences, and then it'll take a couple of minutes to go ahead and close it. In the meantime, wherever you have your, wherever you have your files saved, you want to go ahead and move your folder to the desktop. Whenever you're editing, you want to edit with your files and your Premiere file saved to the desktop or to the computer itself, as opposed to on the network like the OneDrive. It does not work well over the OneDrive. Once it's finished uninstalling the previous version, you are safe to go ahead and launch Adobe Premiere Pro. So when it finally opens, you're going to get this home screen where you can either open a project that's already been started or create a new one. For this instance, we're going to create a new one. I'm going to go ahead and name it up here, just sample, because that's what I'm doing. However, you need to make sure that you're naming it whatever. Now, location. This is important because by default, Adobe wants to save this in documents. We don't want it saved in documents. We want it on the desktop in the same file, or same folder where all of our clips are. So I'm going to select that folder. I'm going to leave the rest of it the same, and I'm going to click OK. And now we get to explore the workspace.